Bullish Ethereum, ETH cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $7,648.76 and $14,447.67 by 2030. Market examiners accept ETH could reach $5,949.04 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,359.78. Ethereum, ETH presentation. Decentralized and open source, Ethereum is a blockchain that supports brilliant agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main cryptographic money after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum pioneers. Crowdfunding for advancement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute extremely durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance, DeFi, offer a large number of monetary administrations without the requirement for regular monetary go-betweens like banks, businesses, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their property out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are similarly conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for beginning coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? ETH. Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH. Its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to fabricate any safe advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for use on the blockchain network, yet clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Versatile, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Thus, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ethereum, ETH key investigation. It's memorables fundamental that most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to associations rather than the securities exchange. Thus, by finishing a reasonable essential examination and taking into account all the data that is right now open about the venture, you might decide if a digital money is beneficial or not. The objective of essential investigation is to find out a resource's inherent worth. For example, you might assess whether a cryptographic money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of inward and outside factors. Ether is important in light of a few elements. In any case, its helpfulness is essential for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money, DeFi, convention classifications of advances, decentralized trades, DEXs, subsidiaries, resources, and installments require Ether charges. Besides, the biological system of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and various, as found in the pictures underneath. Second, Ether is the hold resource for decentralized finance, DeFi, in light of the fact that it is used as security in the decentralized money, DeFi, conventions. For example, getting or loaning Ether to build a yield due to marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking, and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Ethereum is at present worth $1,699.30 United States dollars. ETH has moved 2.84% as of now with an exchanging volume of $14,394,613,938. Ethereum is at present position 302 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $177,444,059,136 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum. ETH. To conclude, we either having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Ethereum, ETH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. ETH. The ETH cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $2,549.62. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous. However, no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2,379.64 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,039.69. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,249.36. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the ETH's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,399.49 and a typical exchanging cost of $3,739.44. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $5,949.11, and ETH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5,439.19 and a low of $5,099.24 in 2025. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2026. Assuming that Ethereum effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $7,648.85, with a base cost of $6,798.98 and a typical cost of $7,138.93. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8,838.68 by 2027, with a base cost of $8,498.73 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a greatest value worth of $9,348.60. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $10,538.42. On the off chance that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme